Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a contact on Zoom. This video can both applied on your laptop and your Android phone. So without further ado, let's start. After opening your Zoom app, search for the contacts icon. On Android phone, you can see that at the bottom. On your laptop, you can see that at the top of your screen. Now, click on the add icon and then select Invite a Zoom contact. Now, enter the email address and then tap on Add and then click on OK. You'll receive a notification once the person accepted your request. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.